So, brain injuries are very interesting but challenging because of how closely related they are to sports. A concussion is a injury to the brain that causes headaches, fatigue, sensitivity to light and sound, memory loss, and at worst, at the moment of the blow, loss of consciousness. Usually, a concussion has short-term effects, but a really bad one or multiple concussions can have long-term effects. These include trouble concentrating, memory issues, irritability, or other personality changes, and depression. If a patient continues to play a sport, a contact sport, or continues to have more blows to the head, they may develop a condition called or a disease called CTE. This is a neurodegenerative disease caused by repetitive head injuries. There was a research study that 111 NFL players were tested, and 110 of those 111 football players were diagnosed with CTE. So obviously, this is a very big issue. Symptoms do not usually occur until years after the injury. That is why there's such a big issue with this, is because a lot of people will get a concussion and then their headaches will go away and then they think they're fine and then they go out and continue to play the high contact sport. That's an issue because years later you can develop CTE. CTE can cause confusion, personality changes, erratic behavior, difficulty with balance, and motor skills. Brain injuries are so hard to control in kids playing sports because they are not unlike other injuries. I liked the point that Kevin Pierce made about this and about the video that we watched about injuries. So when you break a bone, you know that you can't run on a broken ankle. You know that you're supposed to obviously wait until it's healed, but that's not the same situation with brains. They can be deceiving. They can make you think that you're feeling okay, but you're really not. I myself have had 4 concussions, and I remember being so mad at my mom for taking me to the hospital because I thought it was fine. Looking back, I don't remember any of it, so obviously I wasn't fine, but this is a really big issue. So it's extremely important to have trained professionals around these athletes and coaches that actually take head injury seriously so that we can minimize the effects of concussions and really make sure that kids don't grow up to have CTE. So